Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jitendra Kumar, and today we will be talking about one of the software, and the name of that software is PresentationTube Recorder, and this software is used for creating video lectures and with the help of PPT. So any academic community member over here or any teacher, they can make use of this software, which is quite useful, and they can deliver the content to the students through any learning management system or through the YouTube after making the videos through this PresentationTube Recorder. So once again, I am telling you the name of the software. I am writing down here. Just note down. The name of the software is PresentationTube Recorder. Very good and very useful software for the teachers, so that they can prepare videos with the PPTs, and same videos can be uploaded in the YouTube or any learning management system. So while sitting at home or while sitting in their office or cabins, they can record the videos and they can send these videos to the students. So this is the name of the software, PresentationTube Recorder. Just put this name in the Google and very first link will be there. Download the exe file on your system and install this software. After installing the software, you will see such icon on your screen. Just double press it. The software is highly used worldwide for creating the videos with the PPT, and quite useful amongst the academic community. So the moment it opens, this is the interface of the software, you can see. So the very first thing you need to do, just to see the interface first, these are the options available, and here are the other options. We will see one by one. So very first thing you need to do is open the PPT which you want to explain to the students. So in this case, for example, I am taking this PPT, selecting it and opening it. So it will take a little time to upload the PPT, depend upon the size of the PPT, that how many slides it contains. So it will take roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute to upload the PPT. Again, it depends upon the size of the PPT. Not many academicians are creating their video lectures with the help of this software, and quite useful. While sitting at home, they can prepare the video lectures and upload in YouTube portal or any LMS system. So my PPT is being uploaded here. So it is saying that 25 slides are there in the PPT. I press OK. So right now only PPT view is there on the screen, and if I want my video inside besides this PPT, so what I need to do is to press this option over here, the middle one, PPT with my video. Just press this. Now this camera option is there, but camera is not switched on right now. What we need to do is go to the camera option and press this red icon. The moment you press it, it will run your camera, your laptop camera, running webcam, and show your video at the side of the PPT. Now this interface is ready. Your PPT is uploaded, your video is there. Now you are ready to deliver your lecture. But before delivering your lecture, you need to press this button, record. Only after that it will start recording. So press record. So there will be 3 beep sound, and after that you can start delivering your lecture. So you can can see your lecture is being recorded now. There is some error in my system, that's why this warning is coming. So lecture is being recorded. So one by one you are explaining your PPTs, you are explaining all the points of your PPT to the students, and after completing your PPT you think that you need to give assignments to the students. So what you need to do, there is another option available here on the header, media. When you click this option, there are some other sub option available. So what you need to do, just click on this right button, and at the end of the PPT, when you finish the PPT, give some assignment to the students. So this is how you give the assignments to the students, and in case you need to draw something while explaining the lecture, you can write something over here, or you can make some graph, pictures, something like that. And this is how you can create something over here, any graph, any sort of drawing, and if you want to explain to the students. Moreover, you can add some web resources as well. So if in case you need to give reference of any particular website, you can always give. Just typing to the name of the website over here and pressing it. Connected with the Wi-Fi, but right now it is very slow, like it is not showing. Okay, and in case you have some YouTube video to show to the students, just paste the link of the YouTube video which you want to show to the student while delivering the lecture. You can paste the link over here and press this button. The video will be displayed here. So this is how you create your video of the learning material which you have with you. And again, going back to the slides, the PPT slides, and explaining each slide to the students and giving them the assignments, or putting the resources through web or to the YouTube. You can make your lecture more interactive and more useful to the students. So once you are complete with the PPT, you deliver all the contents, just press this stop button to stop the video. When you press this stop button, it will ask you to save your video somewhere in the system. So I'll say okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll keep my video in the video folder and save it. Okay, the video is successfully saved. Now, before uploading the video in the LMS system or on the YouTube portal, if you want to review your video, then you can review from here. Just click this option, review, and later on you can always edit your video through the video editor software which are available. If some sort of errors are there or some sort of mistakes are there in your video, you can always edit with the video editor. So you can see that your PPT is being run over here with your own video. So you are explaining PPT to your students, and you are adding text, you are including external resources like Google search, or the YouTube links you can add, you are adding. So this is how your lecture is prepared. So while after making the lectures, you can put the lecture on the YouTube or any LMS system. So this is quite useful software, PresenationTube Recorder. So this is kind of my suggestion to the faculties working in different colleges and universities to make use of this software and deliver content to the students while sitting at their homes. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll come again with another software. Thanks again.